Hey, how's everybody doing? I haven't done a tutorial in a while, but I thought this one was very useful and it really fits into the ethos of why I am in the crypto space. So, this tutorial is going to be showing you how to use Showtime.io. Why am I showing you this specifically? There's so many other places you can mint NFTs and marketplaces. But this one in particular, I'm showing you because uh, let's assume that you're not in crypto. Maybe you're not in crypto. And really, this is for people who are not in crypto, but you're an artist. Because Showtime.io allows you to mint and list for free. All you would have to do before getting to this video is set up your MetaMask wallet, set up your MATIC RPC. These are all things you can look up, and I actually have some of these tutorials on my older videos. I may have to do some shorter uploads just showing you. I actually did a MetaMask tutorial that is with a fake seed phrase, just showing you how to set up a MetaMask. And I think I also included setting up a MATIC RPC for that. So I may have to go look for that and get that uploaded. But there's plenty of these videos out there, and it's very easy to find information. So if I don't upload that and you're still watching this, it's easy. You set up your MetaMask. Then from there, you don't even need to fund your wallet. You don't need crypto. And that's why I'm telling you to do this, because everybody's like, oh, you can't get into crypto without spending a bunch of money. It's a Ponzi scheme. They're trying to get you to invest. Look, if you're an artist and you think you can sell your art as NFTs, you can get into crypto for free. And I'm going to show you how. So you can see here, this is our Showtime.io page. Gerline and I, Zimtimo Studios. Anything you mint comes up, so that's why my Habibi is there. Anything that you mint yourself will come up. But these other creations are ours. And what I'm going to show you today, we have been working on a series of audio-visual collaborations that actually began. What is this, number one? Yeah, so can you hear that? Yeah, y'all can hear that. Good. So, this is part one of 9 in a series, and I was dropping these, and then I kind of dropped the ball on that because we had some other commissions and holiday work and DAO things and all of life and all those things. So here's another one from that series. This one is 2 of 9. And these are some audio-visual collaborations between us. And this one is the last one we actually did. This is part 6 of 9, and I'm going to show you us minting part 7 of 9. So, what you're going to do is, up here in the top right-hand corner where you see Zimtimo, you see this button, Create. You're going to press Create. Create will bring you up with this screen. Now, I've already gone ahead and loaded one so that we wouldn't have to wait for it to load. So this is part 7 of 9 in our series. Running out of time. This one was cut tissue paper, edited and animated by Gerline, and the synth was arranged by myself, which I don't think you can hear the synth in this version. Let me see. No synth in this version, but you can, I'll drop the link in the show notes and you can check that out. But yeah. This description kind of goes for all of them, but I change it because some were all digital and some have cut tissue paper. That's what you can see with this colorful sand in the hourglass. That's actually a tissue paper effect that she used as a texture. Really cool stuff she does. So title here, running out of time, description. Now see, you can use this description if you were doing like fashion or some kind of physical item. You could include here how people could redeem that item. You could include links to a secret Discord channel. You could do all kinds of things in this because this description... oh no, I'm sorry. This description won't be locked, but in other places you can do locked descriptions. But like I said, this is free. So I've uploaded my file. You see here where it says 20 megabyte MP4 under the description. This would have a little spot. Let me show you on the other screen. So this is a blank form. You see title, description, attachment. So you can do a 3D model, a video, or an image. Then you can set your royalty fee. And then you have to check your little box. So I set the royalty. Yeah, we're going to do it at 10%. We're doing 11 editions. Yes, I own the rights, and I'm going to hit create. Now it's going to prompt my wallet. So I have my settings where you won't see my MetaMask extension, but in the top right corner, it popped up with a signature request. There is no gas price associated with this. I'm just going to hit sign. You see I can view on Polygon scan. I'm going to go ahead and hit open, but you see it happened. We can also share on Twitter if we want. I'm going to hit the open link on that. So we'll put that over there. And that's it. So, but you see here, we can view on Showtime or we can list for sale. And that's the next step of our tutorial. We're going to list it for sale. So you see here, list NFT. It's got our title, our description, creator. And then here you can set your price and your currency. So it looks like your only currency choices are USDC and DAI, which are dollar coins. So you can set it to a dollar coin. You can say, I want it for $10. I want it for $20, whatever. I'm going to set mine for wrapped ether, and we like to do these at 0.01. A lot of our collections, and this is just a personal thing, it may not even be a good idea, but it's a thesis we're running with right now. But we do 1,000 pieces at 0.01 so that they're affordable, and if we were to sell all of those 1,000 pieces, then that would equal 1 ether. That's just our personal way of trying to get ourselves paid with our work. So as you can see, I did 0.01 wrapped ether, and I'm only putting 10 on sale. click list. Same thing, we are going to have to sign another transaction. It just popped up in my right hand corner. My MetaMask extension popped up with a sign request. Once again, 0 gas. And it happened. I'm going to open up these 2 links to share on Twitter and Polygon scan. So, all right, now you saw it. We minted an NFT by filling out this form, uploading a file, which goes to IPFS, Interplanetary File System. And then what that'll do is create the NFT. You can create NFTs and not list them for sale. That is a separate transaction. So, because say, for instance, you might want to mint NFTs and give them out as a gift. But either way, it's a separate transaction. But you might want to give them out as a gift and not have to list them because you're giving them away. Let me refresh this page and see if it came up. But in the case of, like I said, I'm trying to onboard you into crypto for free. So if you think you can sell your art, well then mint it for free and go sell it. And now you've got crypto in your pocket for what you're good at. And you can see here, this is our transaction for creating it. 11 of token ID. Then this is our post. I just minted a new awesome NFT. If you minted it, you want to, it gives you a queued up Twitter post that you can change yourself. And then this one here is our transaction for listing it. It says there was a transaction fee, but perhaps they pay that. I don't see a transaction fee come out of my money. So maybe they pay that transaction and let you mint for free or list for free. But I've tried it from another account. It definitely works for free. So it says here on this tweet, just listed an awesome NFT on Try Showtime. So then now your job is to go sell your artwork. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully you can put this to use for yourself. Go sell some NFTs. And hopefully you can come buy our NFTs. We have the entire series of these audio visuals. Yeah, I'm not seeing the new one minted yet. But things take time to show up on the chain. They don't show up all the time right away. This one here, Add More JPEG, is one we created for the Habibi Holiday Exchange. And that one is, it's a song and a repeating loop animation. Or there are some differences in the animation. I edited some cool stuff into that. But the point being that it's like 2 minutes, 40 seconds. And I got it under the size that it needed to be. But it still took like 24 hours before the audio visual appeared on chain. Like, it minted correctly, everything was fine, it just wasn't showing up, and it scared the hell out of me. And then I could see it on Showtime though, and I couldn't see it on Rarible. But after 24 hours, it was there as normal. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for checking this out. Thank you for checking out our NFTs. Thank you if you buy any of our NFTs. And hopefully, as I said, you can do this for yourself and sell some work on Polygon. Like I said, this is all on Polygon. Once you get some art in there and you get some art sold, you can go to a MATIC faucet or have someone that you know drop you a little MATIC. Just one MATIC is enough to do hundreds, maybe thousands of transactions. So I would get you, I would say this is a great way for you to onboard yourself into crypto for free. Very low barrier to entry if you're an artist. Thanks. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and I may do another one of these with, I have 2 more pieces that I need to mint for the series. I'm also thinking, and this is some alpha if you're watching this, I'm also thinking about doing one on, maybe just one, on Ethereum that is all 9 of the NFT segments in one edit. I've actually already made the cut. And maybe I'll do it to where if someone buys the one, they will also get airdropped the other 9 on Polygon. Yeah. Not sure yet. We'll see. So, thank you, friends. I appreciate you as always, and I will see you next time.